The Sustainable Livelihood Program, or SLP, is a capability building program by the Department of Social Welfare and Development for poor, vulnerable, and marginalized households and communities to improve their socioeconomic conditions through accessing and acquiring necessary assets to engage in and maintain thriving livelihoods. The program endeavors to strengthen the skills, competencies, abilities, and resources of poor Filipino families. And create an enabling environment for accessing income-generating opportunities to address their basic needs, thereby improving their socio-economic well-being. The SLP shall facilitate interventions through two tracks: Microenterprise Development Track and the Employment Facilitation Track. The Microenterprise Development Track focuses on starting, expanding, and or rehabilitating microenterprises. Modalities under Microenterprise Development Track: Seed Capital Fund, Cash for Building Livelihood Assets, and Skills Training. The Employment Facilitation Track focuses on the provision of assistance to qualified participants seeking employment. Activities under these tracks includes modality under Employment Facilitation Track: Employment Assistance Fund and Skills Training. Now, who are eligible and target participants of SLP? Program participants must belong to a list identified per household. Participants of Microenterprise Development Track must be at least 16 years old to participate, with a written legal consent from the legal parents or legal guardians. Employment Facilitation Track participants must be at least 18 years old upon employment following legal employment standard. Do you have any questions or you wish to avail of the program? Just dial the DSWD FOXLP hotline 0953 265 6033.